Hey everyone, welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. Okay y'all, this is my first time ever growing such beautiful eggplants. These plants have been so productive. My eggplants are loaded down with fruit and they're about ready to be harvested. In today's video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to grow these beautiful plants. If you've never tried growing them before, the eggplant is simple and easy to grow. They are drought-tolerant, sun-loving plants. Eggplants can be harvested at any stage of growth, from small to full maturity. Eggplants are perfectly ripe when their skin has a glossy shine. Once the eggplants lose their shine, they'll become dull and begin to lose color. Once they're dull, they've become overripe. But those seeds can always be saved to start a whole new plant. These are the beautiful purple flowers that grow on the eggplants. Eggplants are self-pollinated. After the flower pollinates, it will begin to bear its fruit. This is what the flower will look like once pollinated. So within a few weeks, that flower will go from this to this. Many often consider the eggplant a vegetable, but technically it is a fruit because it comes from a flowering plant and contains seeds. Eggplants are a part of the nightshade family, and they come in a wide range of varieties. I'm growing the Black Beauty eggplant. My plants were not started by seed. They were purchased earlier this year as starter plants, and they have just exploded with growth. These plants also get very top heavy, so be sure to use stakes or tomato cages to help keep them upright. Some gardeners prune their eggplants to help promote growth, but I decided to go ahead and try growing mine naturally without any pruning, and they've done quite well. Eggplants also love growing in full sun. For watering, I generally give my plants a deep, thorough watering about twice a week. These eggplants are humongous. They'll be perfect for seed saving. I have my eggplants growing in a raised garden bed, made with recycled wooden pallets. If you're growing in containers, I would suggest getting a soil with moisture control, so you wouldn't have to water as often. When growing eggplants, gardeners have noticed a range of different pests and insects that can harm the plant, such as aphids and flea beetles. To help discourage the pests from getting into my garden, I use cold-pressed 100% pure neem oil. It's a great natural organic product, and I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. Neem oil and a few drips of Dawn mixed all together with water creates the perfect pesticide. Another quick tip, I absolutely love using eggshells in the garden, but make sure to give them a good wash before using them. Eggshells contain an abundance of calcium that can be mixed directly into your soil. The calcium of the eggshells will help create healthy cell walls of the plant. It also helps moderate the soil's acidity while providing natural nutrients for the plant. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are most vital for healthy growing. You can use an all-purpose fertilizer, a basic 5-5-5. Adding a seaweed or a fish emulsion is another great bonus. If there's a specific eggplant you enjoy growing, please let me know down in the comments below. This has been such an awesome eggplant harvest, my largest one yet. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe and click that bell so you can keep up with all my latest uploads. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm Jen, and I'll see y'all next time here at the Creative Grassroots Garden. Have a great day, everyone.